Uh, Welcome to another data ad hoc stream. So today I will share my views about uh, how I learn different things over the time. So whenever there is a new technology to learn, the first thing I do is check if it's open source or at least offer a free trial, because I don't want to invest in things to learn where I can't get return, or there is no possibility if it's available in my portfolio or it's related to my hobby. Like to, if I can't work on that after that project, then there is a no use. So that's why, if it meets this criteria, then I move forward. My next step is to look for YouTube reference videos, because YouTube is the what I can say, open source and freely available tutorials are there. I watch a few of them to understand how to install or access the tool for hands-on experience. Not all videos are helpful. Most of them are clickbait, and it's only for increase views. But some can be misleading or have insufficient content. So I need to check like to many videos before actually related or useful video I can work on. But with this patience, I eventually find a new few of them that work well. Once I have access to that tool, I start with the basic tutorial. Every day I dedicate about 30 minutes to learn and track my progress over the time. So like for 5 minutes I check a video, then simultaneously I try after that video or theory part, I try to check feature or try to do hands on that on that tool. Recently it happened with Power BI. Earlier it was for Tableau. Before that it was for Python, then R, then for SQL. So I tried different things, and if I like the I like this kind of like learning, because you don't know in this changing world which is useful in your next career, where you can get to work on those things. Then since I work in MNC, I have also access to premium learning platforms like Udemy. In past I had access for Udemy, and currently have access for uh, LinkedIn Learning. Earlier it was Linda, yes. So uh, I have most of structured learning happens there, because frankly it's easily available to me. This is not, and this is not a promotion. I suggest you check if your organization offers similar learning. Once I complete the basic, my next step is to work on end-to-end project. For this, I return to YouTube. After that, if there is a YouTube channel like YouTube video available, then I also check. First priority I give to Udemy or LinkedIn Learning, where I can have like uh, full-fledged of premium content available. After that learning, I check for YouTube. Once I complete the basic, my next step is to work on end-to-end project. For this, I return to YouTube to look for project tutorials, subscribe to YouTube channels related to topic, and regularly check for new content. I also refers to online articles where step-by-step instructions are provided. Here's an important note. I try to avoid paid services for this project unless absolutely those are necessary. My goal is to complete as much as possible with resources I already have, because as I earlier said, if there is no ROI, so why to invest? Because I have faced this challenge during my base SAS learning. During that time, I have invested, and it is like close or paid source, and After that learning, I was not able to use that product uh, uh, like on my own or in current organization. So it was it was first milestone for my learning, but after that I can't I was not able to use that. So that's why when I'm working on my first project after learning a tool, I stick closely to the guidelines provided in tutorials. But once I get comfortable, I look for more challenging projects to test my understanding. For inspiration, I head back to YouTube or search Google for project ideas. At first, things don't always work out. Most of the time, my project either fails or works partially. But with persistence, I eventually get it to work. And here I want to add one more thing that uh, for most of the YouTube related tutorial, for most of the time a code not work, and I need to check for comments where another like learner provided a solution, or I need to check again Google where those particular error I need to do debug thing. So for this try and error takes time. My dedication depends on the relevance of the tool to my company's work. If the tool is important for my role, I make it point to track my daily progress and explore new features beyond what my job requires. On the job experience also give me the opportunity to practice and learn the tool in real world scenarios. I follow simple rule. If it's not required, I don't invest in learning it. For tools that aren't immediately necessary for my role, I explore them on and off wherever I have free time or feel curious. But I make sure to stay updated on the latest trends in analytics to stay ahead of the curve. In summary, YouTube has been a game changer for my learning journey, from tutorials and hands-on guidance to project ideas and community support. It's my go-to resource for learning new technologies. So uh, you also share your uh, go-to resource and please comment. That's it for today regarding my YouTube learning journey.